Social Science, Grade 8, Block 23, Land and Soil Resources, LP1, Land Resources, LP2, Soil as a Resource by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to explain the importance of land resources in determining land uses. Also, students will be able to explain the importance of soil and reasons for differences in soil fertility. Children, have you ever wondered why certain kitchen gardens grow healthier plants and vegetables than others? Why does this happen? So children, healthy growth of plants depends on fertility of soil in the kitchen garden. The more fertile the soil, the healthier the plants. Children, please read your content book. There is a case study of Rajan, Karthik and Shankara. We see how geographical condition affects the use of land. Rajan used his land to grow tree which requires well-drained soil. As the land is located in Assam, the soil is fertile, but the fields get waterlogged after the rains. Therefore, he could grow only rice which requires plenty of standing water. Karthik wanted to grow onions, but the sandy soil in Rajasthan does not hold water. He could grow ragi which required very little water. Shankar cleared the forest land in Tamil Nadu to build human settlements. The forest land was rich in humus from the decaying twigs and leaves. Shankara's land was changed the most after construction as the forest was cleared out completely. So children, according to the case study you have read in your content book, do you think characteristics of land differ from one place to another? What are the changes that man has brought about to the quality of the land? Which human activities are responsible for this change? So children, characteristics of land differ from one place to another. Man has used land for various purposes to fill his needs, and the ways in which land is used by man is called land use. The most important land use changes have been in clearing forest and hill slopes to grow crops and build houses. With the help of technology, man has changed some uninhabitable lands to habitable areas for livelihood. For example, salt panning is done in the Rann of Kutch and orchards flourish on mountain slopes. Characteristics of land determine population distribution, river valleys and plains with suitable climate and availability of water for farming and minerals for economic activities have been considered the most favorable areas for human habitation. What are the different ways in which man owns land around the world? Children, most of the favorable lands on earth have been occupied by man either as an individual or as a community. Private land is owned by individuals or a family. Community lands are owned by a community and are therefore called common property resources. The latter belongs to the community, and items such as fruits, wood, fodder for cattle are shared by the community. Children, please read the content book and try to solve LP1's worksheet on your own, and you can discuss it during our online session as well. Now let's focus on LP2, soil as a resource. So children, what is soil? How is soil formed? Children, soil is a grainy layer that covers the earth's surface, and weathering is the first stage in soil formation. Children, why is weathering important in the formation of soil? How do the factors of weathering contribute to soil formation? Weathering is the first step to soil formation by which parent rocks are broken down into smaller rock particles. The relief of physical features of land determine the characteristics of soil. For example, soil on mountain slopes may not be very fertile due to erosion. Climatic conditions such as rain and temperature affects the rate of weathering. Microorganisms and decay matter of plant and animals make soil fertile. Soil formation is a very long process and an inch of topsoil takes 500 years to be formed. The longer the time taken, the thicker the profile of soil. Which soil would be more fertile? Mountain soil that was formed over a longer time or hill soil that was formed over a shorter period? Why? Children, let's discuss. Relief plays an important role. Hilly areas will be characterized by comparatively warmer climate than mountainous region. The rate of humus formation from dead plant and other organic matter will be faster here. Therefore, soils would be more fertile in hilly areas even if a lesser amount of time is taken from the soil to form. Children, please read the content book and mark all your difficult points so that we can discuss about the soil and land resources during our online session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Take care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Bye-bye.